Gold and silver has seen a very strong drop. Specifically, silver has crashed almost 3.5% yesterday and went till towards $23, the next support levels. Now, what to expect today? Which position you should take trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Also, you can remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Now, if you follow the movement here, you can see the consolidation and then sharp red candles. Again, consolidation is going on or retracement is going on. But at the same time, 1940 levels, which is definitely a very good support earlier, now going to be the resistance. Gold has to stay above 1940 in order to expect a rise. Now, even if it stays above 1940, see, till 1955 levels, that level from where it has started to drop, this is going to be the prime resistance level, and only above 1955 you can expect that we can see a reversal or a retracement. Till 1955 should not be treated as a reversal. Also, if you look at the moving averages are now trading with divergence, this is a bearish sign, but I will wait for it to, if at all it shows a rise from here, breaks past, I will wait for them to converge crossover. Stochastic is comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. The MACD has crossed over on the hourly charts and it is trading with little divergence looking up. Also, this crossover is coming at a lower levels, almost from where we have always seen a recovery in gold since last 3 to 4 occasions, barring this one. In fact, the drop here is called for a recovery. The RSI was oversold and it has come out of the oversold levels. On the 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see the support is seen till towards 1935 and it is trying to create a step here. 20 period moving average now situated at around 1945, the first resistance level. Hence, if you see it trading at 1940, you can buy for 1945 levels, and beyond that, see, till 1955 it is going to get maximum resistance here, and only if it trades above 1955 is the level beyond which you can expect a rise. Also remember, one more point to note here is on the 2 hour chart, you can look at, this was the previous drop last week and we have seen a sharp recovery there. It has come down to the same levels. This time again, the lows are created a little higher. Previous lows were almost at 1930 levels. This time it is almost stationed at around 1934. What does this mean? Can we expect a reversal here? That is something we should wait for it to break past. Now see, lower highs are seen here. 1955 is the only level beyond which you can expect a reversal. Stochastic is seen rising here. The MACD is bearish, willing to converge crossover. Candle size is diminishing. However, it is not yet crossed over, and you can see this was the previous rise. Potentially this could be one of the occasions where again it may show you the rise here. RSI almost at bottom, it has come out of the oversold levels, and on the 3 hour, the same observation on the 3 hour charts as well. You can see this, it got consolidation here and we can see a consolidation here, but this time there is one observation which I'll share on the daily charts. As it on the daily charts, the daily candle has closed below 1940 levels. That is the important point for you to note. Also on the 4 hour 3 hour charts, you can find out lower highs are created, and this time previously 1940 was the support. Now it is got to the next support levels at 1930. See, it can breach this also, and breaking below this should call for the next stronger drop, which might take it for 1920-15 zone. If it stays below 1930, then and then only. Now, what you can see on the 3 hour charts also is the support it is got at 1935. With that as support, it is trying to rise. However, 1940 levels are still proving out to be a greater resistance. Stochastic at bottom here. The MACD is bearish, willing to converge. RSI is also trading at bottom and almost flat. And on the 4 hour, similar is the observation. But this time, see, it is consolidated at slightly lower level. This time it is consolidating at a slightly higher level. This was 3032. This is almost at 1935 levels. There is a tail here, there is a tail here, and almost symmetrical formation with lower highs. Hence, one has to wait for it to break past 1935 levels in order to expect a complete recovery. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is also trading at bottom. And on the daily, On the daily chart, the moving averages have crossed over since then, trading with divergence. This is the zone here between 1955 1965, where it is going to see the maximum resistance. Also, if you look at this, is now skewed downwards. At the same time, we can see multiple candles. See, till now you can see 1940 levels. Almost every candle, despite the drop here, the candle closed above 1940 levels. This is the first time in couple of weeks where we have seen a daily closing below 1940 level. At the same time, one more point to note here is, see, this was also outside Bollinger Bands, and that is where it has got a pullback. Also, you can see higher lows, and if you connect this, this is lower highs. So still it has a trading zone between 1930 to 1965, and then beyond that a little more rise can take it on the other ways around. Right now it is still trading bearish. So higher lows, lower highs, 1930 is still going to remain the stronger support for the day. Below 1930 you have to stay short. There is no other option. There is no other expectation for it to look back on the upside. However, since it is outside Bollinger Bands, there should be a little pullback. How far it can try to retrace? We can expect above 40, we can expect 45, 50 levels also. And yes, only above 1960, 65 should be treated as a reversal. Stochastic has dropped. MACD on the daily charts has again crossed over and again trying to look downwards. It is already trading at bottom, not willing to look up. RSI has also dropped here. Considering this, for the day you can buy gold at around 1941.5, expect 1945, 1950, 55 at the three major resistance, and then 55 to 60 is the extreme resistance there. Only above 60 you can expect it to reverse it. You can call it a reversal and it is going to fly high. Else, till the time it stays below 1960, chances for it to again go on the downside or drop again exist. A sell entry today is below 1934 right in 33.5 levels, below 1933.5, 1930 first target, and below 1930 we may see the previous support at 1926, and if it drops below 1926, definitely it will hit 1915 to 20 zone, which is a very good support zone. And if it stays below 1915, 1900 and 1870 are the two targets which it may try to achieve. Hence take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch starts on 3rd of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of our Signals channel. Reach out to me again for the details on our Signals channel. Now, look at the hourly charts. See, silver here has created earlier bottom, you can see, was at around 23.40 zone. Now it is in fact breached below 23.20 and now trying to consolidate itself between 23 and 23.20 levels. Also lower lows are done, and now even if it tries to recover, it has to break past 24.20 levels in order to show a complete recovery. Now this is a little far away level, however everything and anything is possible. Now you can look at, see, the 23.20 levels, which was previously a support, is now going to be the resistance here. You can see this candle, you can see multiple candles getting the support at 23.20, and hence now I will recommend you to buy only if you see it trading about 23.25, where you can expect 23.40 levels as the next target, and in fact it can stretch the rise beyond 23.40 till 23.60. It has got very good resistance, and only about 23.80 you can expect a little more rise. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD on the hourly charts have crossed over here and trying to look upwards. See, it has seen a very good drop till minus 20 levels and now trying to recover. I will wait for a complete recovery if it stays about 23.60 levels. RSI is oversold, which calls for a little rise, and on the 2-hour charts, the moving averages have crossed over since then, trading with divergence, trading bearish. It has still got much of a scope on the downside. However, this is only on the 2-hour charts. One point is clear here, is it is consolidating here, and 23 levels are certainly very good support. Also, another point was it was trading outside Bollinger Bands, and hence this is still consolidating for the bands to expand so that it can continue with the momentum. Now, in fact, if you see it trading about 23.20, you can expect 23.20, 23.30 zone as a good resistance. I will wait specifically for it to stay about 23.40 in order to show a rise, beyond which till 23.80 it has got very strong resistance. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD is bearish, willing to converge here. It has not yet crossed over. It is willing to converge. Also, if you look at the movement, one drop, retracement, second drop, retracement, possible retracement can be expected till here, and if it breaks past this, there could be further rise. Hence, the second wave is in making. I will wait for it to cross over and then possibly take a buy entry. RSI is extremely oversold. On the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation. Lower highs, lower lows, trading within the channel here. The highs for now are at around 24-20 zone. It has to break past 24.20 in order to confirm the rise. Stochastic oversold. MACD, first wave, second wave can be expected. RSI is also oversold. And on the 4-hour chart, likewise on the 4-hour chart, see these three candles, higher lows, and then this breakout. And after the breakout, it is again trying to pull up. I will wait for it to break past 23.20, 23.25 zone, where you can expect 23.40, 23.60 levels as the next resistance. Lot much catching to be done, and hence possibly it can try to trade sideways here before the moving averages cross over here at around 23.50-60 zone. Stochastic is oversold. MACD, as we saw, it is bearish, and now it is almost, the candle size have peaked up. Possibly it can try to converge from here. Hence, first wave, second wave can be expected. RSI is oversold here too. And on the daily charts, as we saw earlier, see this is trading with an expanding triangle. Also, you can see the bottom here, the retracement is done. Now it is looking downwards, and any drop below $23, you can again stay short. There is still lot much ground on the downside to be covered. However, if you look at the formation here, you will find that lower lows are done, lower highs are seen, and possibly with the support at 23, it can try to rise a little. And how far it can retrace, that is the point we have to look at. Only about 24.20, it should be treated as bullish. Stochastic has dropped. MACD again has crossed over, is starting to diverge here, and see the drop here, slight retracement, and again looking down. RSI is also looking down. Considering this, you can buy for a retracement about 23.25, 23, or rather 23.20 itself, but 23.20, 23.30 is a very good resistance. About 23.30, you can expect it to rise for 23.40 and then till 23.60 levels. Remember, till 24.20 should not be treated as a reversal. Only about 24.20 we can see this as a complete reversal, and it can fly above those levels also. Complete recovery chances are little less. However, today's Chairman Powell's testimony in the US Senate is going to be definitely going to bring little volatility. We will be watchful of that, and hence till then you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. Trade accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, join my mentorship batch or Signal channel. Reach out to me for more details on any of the services. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.